And on that, getting people involved, have you been involved much with getting communities engaged? And with groups of people? Because obviously you've done a lot with the RHS.
Yes.
And there's the RHS Young Champion and all that type of thing. Have you done a lot with community groups and that type of work?
So I remember distinctly working with a school in somewhere and looking at their wildlife garden. I think it was, what was the school called? Chelsea Primary School. And that was really nice working there, just for a day. I went up, wherever it was, and went to see their wildlife garden, and it was really, really nice working with a really nice bunch of people. And then whenever my mum does any harvest festivals, work there, apple pressing, things like that, and it's such a really nice way to get people involved. Not necessarily hammering it into, you need to plant this to have bees. It's just being in a nice area and just sort of pointing things out and explaining to people what things are. That's just such a nice, chilled out way of getting people interested in wildlife.